One of the end results of practice is being prepared. Preparation makes problems easier to manage. Now, there are degrees to the word easier, but in the setting of learning, it usually helps. For instance, if you only know a portion of the multiplication table for 1s to 12, you may struggle with classwork and homework in math. Practice leads to being prepared, while being prepared can ignite breakthroughs and deeper understanding. According to constructivism, a learner constructs their own comprehension. In other words, instructors cannot just pour their understanding into your mind. You can memorize the data and or information, but you must personalize the information to truly comprehend it. Plus, there are levels to comprehension that we will go over later, but you must put in the proverbial work. In section 3 of unit 1, we will add integers. First, we have the number line to assist us. We have -4 plus 5. So we go from -4 to 1 on the number line while moving 5 spaces. Now we have -4 plus 2, or a negative plus a positive. So let's see what happens. Since we're doing addition, you're going to move to the right by 2 and end up with -2. Lastly, we'll add two negatives together. So a negative plus a negative is going to be a negative. So -4, start at -4 on the number line, and then you're going to go back. So the number becomes more negative. You have a -4, and you're adding -2, which makes it -6. For more information and more examples, go to the link at the bottom or in the description or bio to receive your free algebra workbook.